So in the last laboratory of the hardware, we have discussed about the Megger. Yes, we have discussed about the Megger. So unit experiment number 1, 2, 3, 4, these are related to the bridges and potentiometer here now. So some derivation part will come. So you will not understand this one without derivation and without any theory part. So we'll start later. Easy parts we are going to start. We'll take that one. Searing bridge. Up to this one, bridges and potentiometer is there in experiment number 4. Experiment number 6, in the last class we have discussed about measurement of insulation resistance by using Megger. Okay, this Megger diagram, I have shown the equipment and everything. We have done that one. Next, what we'll do today, we are going to discuss the measurement of power in 3-phase circuit by 2 wattmeter method for balanced load. For balanced load as well as unbalanced load also we can measure that one here now. So today we will discuss about for the balanced load only for the balanced load we will discuss here now. So what is the aim of this experiment? The main aim is to measure the 3-phase power using 2 wattmeter method for balanced load. All of you know what do you mean by balanced load, what do you mean by unbalanced load? All of you know or not?
Yes, sir.
So balanced and unbalanced load we have to use over there. So for the balanced load, what we will do, all of you know the three phase, you know, everyone, I think. 3-phase supply, 3-phase AC circuits, all of you have studied. Yes or no?
Yes.
See here,
Yes.
I will consider this side, I will not take. Okay. Is anyone a line I have to consider? Okay, here only somewhere. I will take the color as red color. I will consider here now. I want 8 minutes. Just a minute. So the 3-phase we'll discuss now. 3-phase means what? Actually, all of you are in your houses, you know very well about that one. Only 3 lines it came over there. Okay, 3 lines आया वाला रहते घर को. 1 minute, इसको reverse order में. R, Y and B. कैसे हो रहे हो connection? R, Y, B. Okay, all of you know that one. In your houses nearly transformer रहते मालूम है ना, pole mounted transformer. सबके घर के पास उसको 3 लाइन आया वाला रहते फर्स्ट, ओके 3 लाइन आया वाला रहते, वो 3 लाइन से क्या हो जाएगा, you peoples you can think that this one here the transformer is there, okay the transformer, the output of the transformer is will get 4 wire, and here this one is R, Y and B, and another one is this one neutral, we are going to call that one, okay. So the load between this R and N, we are going to give single phase supply, we'll call that one as single phase supply, we are going to call that one, okay. So 3 phase, this one we will call that one 3 phase 4 line, 4 wire is there, already you have studied in the first year, all of you have studied in the first year, 3 phase 4 wire, whatever this output is there, this output, it is 3 phase 4 wire system, we will call that one 3 phase 4 wire system, yes. So we are studying that, we are saying that one the 3 phase will come, 3 phase we are going to study, but 3 phases means it may be connected in star or it may be connected in delta. Star connection will be like this, star connection will be like this, okay. This one R, this one Y and B, we are going to call this one, this is star connection, we are going to call that one here. So it has 4 terminals, the 4th one is neutral, we are going to call. How many lines are there here? 3 lines, okay 3 lines are there. R, Y and B. आवाज आ रहा है क्या, नहीं म्यूट किया क्या, okay. How many for each phase 1 and 2, how many ends are there here? 2 ends are there, okay. One end we have to give for the input, main line रहते ना, वो main line को देने का R Y B, yes one line. आवाज आ रहा है, reply, try to give the reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Another end to connect to the star means we have to make one common point here now. That is called neutral. We are going to call that one. We have to make one common point. ये another terminal है ना, another end we have to connect like this. We have to connect like this. We have to connect like this. So this will give, or another end we have to do short circuit here now. Short circuit ही है ना, दोनों एक point को connect कर रहे means it is nothing but short circuit. Yes.
Yes,
all
sir.
are jointed together, that one point anywhere you take that one, that is neutral here now. This is called star connection, we are going to call that one here. 3 phase 3 wire 4 wire, that is called star connection, it will come over there. Is it clear? Star
Yes, sir.
connection. Okay, next one for the delta connection, we'll tell that one. Delta means like this. This is the delta connection, we are going to call that one. Here this one R, Y and this is B line is there. For each it has 2 terminals are there. R has 2 terminals, Y has 2 terminals, B has 2 terminals. Okay. So R1 terminal here, I will consider this one as 1 and this one as 2. B ka 1, 2. Y ka 1 and 2, like this. R ka first terminal and Y ka second terminal, it will make one junction. Yes, it will make one junction or not?
Yes,
दोनों
sir.
ज्वाइंट करने का. Next, R का sorry Y का first terminal, B का second terminal, it will make one junction. B का first and R का 2 here now. So RY, YB and BR, like that we have to give the connection here now. that one we have to connect here. This is the delta connection we are going to call here now. So this one we can call, we cannot call what is that no RYB. Here this is the RY, this is the YB, this one is BR. If current we can measure here means this one IRY, IYB, IBR we are going to call that one. If voltage across this one we are going to call that one VRY, this one VRY. We say RY कितना है वो देखने का है, this one is in between R and Y, that is called VRY, we are going to call that one VRY. And Y2B we have to measure that one YB, we are going to call that one. So like this, the delta connection loads are there, then only 3 wires will come here now. How many wires are there output? 3 phase, 3 wire is there. So the delta connection and star connection we are going to call that one. This one already you have studied in the first year में explain किया है. Then also I have just repeating you peoples here now. So what we will do here, I will take some 3 loads I will connect here now. Resistive load you consider that one. Here star connected loads are there here now. Star connected loads are there. Here 3 phases I have taken. The input line I have taken R, Y and B here now. R, Y and B here now. So the supply I will give from R to this first one, Y to Y1 second one, B to here like this I can give here. Yes, and the neutral I will make this junction point as neutral here. Okay, see here variable load we are going to call this one. Here the load is there, here the load is there. This part whatever it is there, this is the load part here now. This is the load part, this is the supply part here. So R to Y whatever the voltage is there, that is called VRY, we are going to call that one. VRY is nothing but, this is nothing but VL, line voltage, phase voltage, all of you remember?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
VRY we are going to call that one. VYB is also line voltage here now. VL we are going to call that one. If the load is balanced, suppose this is also 25 watt, this is also 25 watt and this is also 25 watt, then VL is same for all. If the unbalanced load, then this voltage between these two terminals is different, these two terminals is different, and voltage between R and B is also different. We are going to call that one here now. VRB, VBR we are going to call. That is different. So all 3 loads are equal, 25, 25, 25. Then we are going to call that load as balanced load. We are going to call that. That load is called which one? Balanced load. If 25, 25 here 35 is there, that is unbalanced. We are going to call that. If the unbalanced R phase को unbalanced हो गए, load जास्त है. So this current is different, this current is different, this current will be different. That is IL we are going to call line current. For each line it is different only because load is not equal. So balanced and unbalanced clear हो गया अभी?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
Not of sir.
No. Okay. So that is the main intention of explaining the balanced load here now. To measure the 3-phase power using 2 wattmeter. How many phases are there? 3 are there. We are using only 2 wattmeter method we are using here now. That is possible. 3 wattmeter also we can do that one. Both will give the same answer only. Both will give the same answer only. So what we will do? Method for balanced load will that one. What are the components, equipments required here now? 3-phase balanced load bank. हमको एक लोड चाहिए 3-phase कनेक्शन करने के लिए. 3 phases से रहने का. 3-phase load is different. R को एक लोड, B को लोड, Y को लोड रहने का. We can connect that one in star or delta. That is left to us. Next one. Question, the time itself it indicates 2 wattmeter method. Means how many wattmeters are required?
2.
2 wattmeters are required here now. 2 wattmeters are required. moving iron voltmeter. That one it may be moving iron or whatever it may be. Voltage measure करना है, voltmeters चाहिए. How many voltmeters? Voltmeters, 2 voltmeters are required. That one. 2 line voltage we can measure, or only 1 voltmeter is enough for the balanced load. And 1 ammeter current भी measure करना है हमको. 1 ammeter ही चाहिए. And उसको ammeter to voltmeter, voltmeter to load connection कर, to do the connection, connecting wires are necessary. Yes. So connecting wires
Yes.
are necessary. So three-phase supply will give from the RYB, but to give the input voltage, suppose line voltage is 440 volt is there. I want to give only 100 volt. So on that situation, variac is required. Three-phase variac we are going to call. Variac is nothing but variable voltage, 0 to 100, 0 to 500, variable voltage. We can give that one here now. That is variac we are required here now. Three-phase variac here now. That is one number is required. Is it clear? The components or equipments are required for the completing the practical here now. These are the apparatus we are going to call. Okay. Next one. Theory part we will discuss that one. Okay. The connection diagram is given. Before that one, apparatus ho gaye, aim ho gaye. Next, the circuit diagram, I will explain that one. Later, we will understand that one. This is the circuit diagram. Circuit diagram here now. See here. How many phases are there? R, Y, B. 3 phases there. Yes.
Yes.
So 3-phase supply, AC supply, 50 hertz. We have 440 volt 3-phase supply will come over there. Normally, the 440 volt supply will come here now. Okay. R, Y, B. Here we can give the variac supply we are providing here now. Variable, this it indicates variable. Those are actually TPST means a triple pole single through switch. It is nothing but this one. Triple TPST is there. TPST or not? Yes or no? TPST.
Yes, sir.
Triple pole. 1, 2, 3. How many poles are there here now?
3
Triple
pole.
pole. Single through. Single through means only by closing this side. The both side nahi hai, both side means double through, we can call that one. Single through, only one side it is going to operate that one. Single through switch, it is nothing but switch only we are going to use here now. So this is the supply. Before that one, in between we have to use one single phase variac we have to use here now. I will change this diagram and I will give that one. Actually it is prepared by old subject teachers, so it will not give the clear picture of that one. So here variac, here R, Y, B, we will give that one. The output will take like this here now. From this one, we will take that one. Okay. So what we will do next? The R is connected to 10 ampere. Here one ammeter we have to connect here. Now here also one ammeter, here also one ammeter. If the load is unbalanced, we are doing the practical for balanced load. Balanced load we are using here now. Yes. For the balanced load, IR equal to IY equal to IB. IB equal to IL. Yes, sir. You can call that one or not?
Yes, sir.
So IR equal to IB equal to IL. So only one ammeter is enough for us. One ammeter is enough for us. And to measure the voltage between one line to another line, here we have to connect one voltmeter. We have to connect here now. Here one voltmeter we have to connect. So next, the wattmeters we have to connect here now. This is the wattmeter 1 we are going to call. This is the wattmeter 2. Wattmeter 2 here. Okay. Next, this one is the load, variable load we are going to call that one. This arrow mark indicates it is a variable load. This one R load, Y load and B load. R को connect कौन सा किया, that is R load. Y को कौन सा connect हो गए, Y load, and B को connect हो गए B load. So it is connected in star. This one we can give to the neutral point. We can give that one, or otherwise we will close that one. Okay, is it clear now here? So
Yes, sir.
for the wattmeter, already we have studied that one. Current coil, potential coil will be there inside the wattmeter. So it has 4 terminals here now. M, L, C, V. So the R phase of variac R, it should have to connect to the one ammeter terminal here now. Ammeter terminal of here, the ammeter is there. Okay, ammeter terminal it should have to connect. Next, ammeter other terminal should have to connect to the M. M and C should be short here now. This one inside the current is there. Then L point, from the L point we have to connect to the R load here now. Okay, and the V point we have to connect to the here. Whatever it is, nothing but next V we have to connect here now. And again M and C we have to short here now. So from the B phase we have to connect here, and L to the load here now, and Y to the load we have to connect directly here. And this all terminals should be short circuited, or internally they have the connection over there. Like this we have to, whatever the red line it indicates the connecting wire से हमने connect करना है इधर. Is it clear? Connecting wire use करके connection करना है. Next what I will do, procedure, make the connection as per the circuit diagram. Connection करते variable voltage से हमने voltage vary देते, suppose 100 volt I have to give. The load is already, I will set that one as 25 watt, 25 watt, 25 watt. I will set the load, and then what will happen? I will switch on the supply. I will note down the reading of W1 and W2 here. Wattmeter 1, wattmeter 2 will measure the rating of that one. Next, the voltage value VL and IL will measure that one. And for the balanced load, the cos phi, whatever the power factor is there, that is unity power factor, will tell that one. UPF is nothing but unity power factor. Unity means cos phi equal to 1. Cos phi equal to 1 we will call that one. Yes, circuit diagram में doubt है क्या कुछ?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the circuit diagram. Next, the theory part. Procedure already I have told that one. Then also I will tell that once again. In the theory part, we know that the wattmeter reading here now, 2 wattmeters we are using here now. The total power of the circuit is wattmeter 1 reading plus wattmeter 2 reading. If 3 wattmeters are there, means P equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 will do. Only 2 wattmeters, P equal to W1 plus W2, it will give the value over there. And we can calculate the power absorbed by one phase using voltmeter and ammeter reading. हमने V phase and I phase calculation कर सकते. VL value is मालूम है हमको. Yes. If we know the VL value, that convert into line voltage into phase voltage, we can do or not?
Yes, sir.
Already we have stated. Otherwise, directly you calculate here now. P equal to √3 VL IL cos phi. Formula you can use that one. P equal to √3 VL IL cos phi. We can do that one. Cos phi equal to 1. Cos phi is nothing but 1. We are going to call that one. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And VL equal to, just a minute. So that one, otherwise we phase VL and IL we can convert into phase voltage and we can calculate that one. So the total power we have we know that one. For the 3 phase we have to do that one. It is for the single phase. So 1 phase को हो गया हमारा 3 phase power, total power कैसे हो जाएगा? 3 into V phase I phase. 3 into V phase I phase. That will give the value of power here now. So this calculated power and wattmeter 1 and wattmeter 2 reading should be equal over here now. समझ में आ रहा है? ये डायरेक्ट P1 P equal to W1 W2 wattmeter से मेजर कर रहे हैं. ये दोनों एडिशन करने का प्लस वोल्टेज एंड करंट का यूज करके क्या पावर कैलकुलेशन करते हैं ना. दिस वन एंड दिस वन शुड बी इक्वल और क्लोजनेस टू द वैल्यू हियर नो. दोनों क्लोज रहने का है. दैट इज कॉल्ड, फॉर दैट रीजन ओनली हियर ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल इज देयर. Serial number, ammeter reading in amperes, IL value will take that one. Voltmeter readings in volts, VL reading will take that one. Total power, square root of 3 VL IL cos phi. Cos phi equal to 1 only will use that one. Connection में already VL है, voltmeter connection कर रहे हैं हम. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
वोल्टेज मेजर करने का, नोट डाउन करने का, करंट का एमीटर कनेक्शन कर रहे, वो एमीटर मेजर करने का। नेक्स्ट उसको फार्मूला अप्लाई करो, √3 VL वैल्यू दिस वैल्यू इनटू IL वैल्यू दिस वैल्यू cos phi = 1, कैलकुलेट करो कितना होता है उतना, इधर लिखने का। नेक्स्ट क्या करने का, वैट मीटर 1 का रीडिंग नोट डाउन करो, वैट मीटर 2 का रीडिंग नोट डाउन करके दोनों इधर लिखो। एंड टोटल पावर W1 plus W2, this value and this value should be equal, both the value should be equal, it should have to match over there, so this one we can say that one the 2 watt meter methods of power measurement, we are going to call that one here, the power measurement method for 2 watt meter method. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in the theory part?
No, sir.
No, sir.
कुछ डाउट नहीं है ना?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Eh?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the your experiment kit setup actually. So already we have connected this one. We'll just explain that one here. Already based on the machine lab, you have connected and calculated all the things. You will you have the idea already. Okay, some voltage is showing. Okay, this is the main supply voltage. It came here now. 3-phase supply came here now. From this one, we are taking the 3-phase supply. Okay, and 3-phase MCB we have connected first. From the MCB, the output of the MCB is connected to variac here now. 3-phase variable voltage kit, we are going to consider this one. Auto transformer also we will call that one. Okay, is it visible here now? See here 0 to 100. Actually they have shown here now. It has the sum up to 500, 600 also. We can vary that one here now. 3-phase line voltage here now. So by varying this one, visible or not?
Yes, sir.
We can vary the voltage. It has here total the terminals here now. 1, 2, 3 R, Y, B and neutral. 4 terminals are there. From this one input supply. For the input, 4 terminals are there. For the output, R, Y, B, 3 terminals are there. Okay. This one we can connect for input and output. Neutral is common. We can consider that one. Input 3 lines. Output 3 lines we have taken here. From the main supply, we have to connect to the input. From the output, we have connected to the load. We have to take that here. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, the voltmeter, I will remove that one. See here, this is wattmeter 1 and wattmeter 2. 2 wattmeters are required here. Okay. One will connect to the R phase, another one will connect to the B phase. Anyone we can connect that one. Wattmeters, 2 wattmeters we are using here now. And here some voltage ranges are there, 75, 300, 150. Here also, see here. This is visible or not? They have written here now. Yes? 75, 150, 300. See, inside this one, here also they have written the current rating that 2.5 bar 5 ampere and voltage range 75, 150, 300 volts. How we will select? If we have selected for the 75 means direct no multiplication factor. कितना reading आते हैं ना उसको multiplication करने का नहीं है इधर wattmeter का. Okay. If it is we have considered 150 we have considered whatever the reading it will show into 2 we have to do that one multiplication factor. If we connected for the 300 into 4 we have to do that one. Is it clear?
Yes,
In a
sir.
single meter we can connect that one. It has 4 terminals. I told that one MLCV, MLC. Which one? It is 75, 150 or 300. Any one we can consider that one as V. We can consider that one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Okay. From the 3-phase line, what we'll do? We'll connect. I will take the 4 lines here now. See here. 4 lines I have taken here. 4 lines. 4 lines. Okay, input supply I have given to this variac. Here R को R दिए, Y को Y दिए, B को B दिया है इधर. Okay, न्यूट्रल लाइन को न्यूट्रल कनेक्शन किया है. इसको वेरियाक को आउटपुट इनपुट मिल गया अभी. वेरियाक को इनपुट दिया हमने. Okay, next what we'll do, we have to take the output from the variac. 3 wires we have taken here now. 3 wires. निकल गए देखो ये. 1 watt where we have to give. First we'll start from the R phase only. Okay, from the R phase first where it should have to go, emitter it should have to go. Emitter को supply आ गया इधर. This is the emitter, 5 ampere emitter we have used here. Okay, आवाज आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 5 ampere emitter को connection किए. Next emitter other end should have to go to the wattmeter 1. Wattmeter 1 M को गया इधर. Wattmeter 1 M terminal. M and C shorted here now. M and C shorted here now. And the L should have to go to the other wattmeter. नीचे connection किया था ना other wattmeter. Next ये B page को wattmeter connection किया ना, that one. Okay, and the L it will go to the here the load we are going to call that one here. See here which load we are using here. This one machine load we are using here. Now induction machine we are using, motor we are using here. We have applied the load as motor. We can vary the load here now by increasing, decreasing this one. We can vary the load also. We can vary that. We can increase the load. We can decrease the. It has here. It has 3 terminals. 3 load चाहिए ना R Y B. R Y B किया है. So another terminal of the what is that is wattmeter. It should have to connect it to the R load को connection किया. R cable दिख रहा है red color.
Yes, sir.
Red cable color and V is connected to the Y phase directly. V and this Y phase को connection किए. Middle one तीनों short किया था ना V and wattmeter 1 and all the things they have shorted here now. See here L and all this part and these two short circuited here now. Next similarly this is R load को हो गए. Next for the B load we will consider that one. B load को direct we are not considering any loads here, any emitter and all the things we are not considering here now. Direct from the B output from the variac we will connect to the M here now. M and C shorted here now. L is connected to the load here now. This line paper plastic wrapped here it indicates L here now. Okay, L it will indicate sorry it is connected to the load, induction motor load here now. See we have connected here 150 load we have connected here. 150 we have connected. So based on our observation table we should have to measure voltage, current and wattmeter 1 wattmeter reading we have to note down. Yes, we have to note down.
Yes, sir.
Wattmeter 1 wattmeter 2 and voltage current here now. Voltage to measure the voltage we have you connected voltmeter connection किए क्या इधर किधर तो?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Then see here this is the multimeter we are going to use. We can connect anywhere at the variac here now. The output side any 2 terminal in between any 2 terminals I will connect the variac here now. I will connect the voltmeter here now. It is connected the voltmeter. 2 terminals are there in between any 2 lines I have connected the multimeter. Can you will take the reading now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Load 0 किए क्या? Okay. How? Hold it. ऑन ही है नहीं? ऑन है नहीं ऑफ अभी ऑन हो गए. See here the voltage is increased here now. Something the voltage is increasing. Yes.
Yes, sir. Just a minute, I will check the wattmeter readings also. Okay, wattmeters is also they are increasing, but the motor is not running.
लोड अप्लाई किए देखो उसको। नहीं ठीक है, अभी घुमा था 56। See here, the motor is started to rotate here now. So what is the voltage here now?
1467.
Okay, I will take this one as wait paper ले लूँ ना, roughly reading लिखने के लिए। So this is VL equal to 150 or 140. See here, this much fluctuation is there, variation is there. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we have to note down this one 150 or 150 average. We will take that one. Okay. The voltage is VL equal to 150. What is the current value here now? See here, it is 5 ampere connected here now. 0 to 5 is there. 0 to 5. So from this one here 1 is there, 1.5 is there. So it indicates 1.2. Sorry, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. So 1.15 it indicates here now. One line extra is there. Then at the middle is there here now. Current is 1.15. Anyone can you note down that one?
1.15.
V I W1 W2. Okay. Voltage कितना था? 250. Current 1.15. See here. W1 is how much it is now? 187 है इधर. 187 है. So start from 75. 75 means it is 25 difference is there. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2.5 it indicates here now. 77.5. 77.5 you write that one. W1 equal to 77.5. Similarly, is somewhere it is another mistake. It's not connected, I think. Wattmeter, it is showing 0 value here. Okay, just a minute. I'll check that one. Just a minute. Little bit connection is difficult because so is it clear now? Connection is over. All of you, the procedure, according to the procedure, we have to note down this W1 value plus W2 value. We have to do both the addition of W1 and plus W2. We have to do that one. The value of this W1 plus W2 should be equal to the P equal to root 3 VL cos pi. P equal to VL cos 5 should be equal to the P equal to VL cos 5. Just hold karo na mobile. Yes.
सप्लाई गए।
Okay, what we will do? See, this is the practically we can do the connection here now. I will show the reading in the virtual lab now. Okay, what we'll do? The main concept you have understood. So P equal to root 3 VL IL cos 5 should equal to W1 plus W2. The concept is clear now.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir. So remove your connection. I will show all these details in the virtual lab for the balanced load. I will show in the virtual lab. Just a minute. वो सर वो पेपर कहाँ रखा है आप? Just a minute. I have another page.
इतना टाइम रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हुआ क्या? माय गॉड, कब स्टॉप किया था रिकॉर्डिंग?
Don't know, sir.
Yes.
Is it clear? Any doubts regarding this one?
No, sir.
किसी को कुछ डाउट है क्या? You can do
अरे कैसे
हार्डवेयर
लिखना है?
क्या?
कि कैसे लिखना है? लैब मैनुअल तो नहीं है हमारे पास।
नहीं है क्या लैब मैनुअल? कौन बोले नहीं है बोल के?
डीजे मोबाइल में है, लिखना कैसे हो?
लिखना पेपर में लिखने का है, एक्सपेरिमेंट वाइज। नहीं तो एक नोटबुक बनाओ उसके लिए, वन साइड वाइट पेपर्स ऐसा रहने का। एक मिनट, कंप्लीट स्क्रीन दिखा है ना?
यस सर।
2 पेजेस इधर राइट साइड एंड लेफ्ट साइड रहते हैं ना। लेफ्ट साइड को ये पहला है ना, फर्स्ट राइट साइड आना है। दिस वन टाइटल पेज वी विल कॉल दैट वन। एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 1 टाइटल मेजरमेंट ऑफ हाई रेजिस्टेंस, इतना ही रहने का ये पेज में, कुछ भी नहीं रहने का। नेक्स्ट ये पेज टर्न कर देना। ये पेज टर्न करने के बाद लेफ्ट साइड आ जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ दैट वन सर्किट डायग्राम, ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल, कैलकुलेशंस उधर लेफ्ट साइड में आने का कभी भी। ओके, सर्किट डायग्राम, ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल, वो सब। नेक्स्ट राइट साइड में, ये लेफ्ट साइड में रहते सर्किट डायग्राम, राइट साइड में अगेन टाइटल लिखने के ऊपर एम, apparatus, थ्योरी, प्रोसीजर, ये है ना, ये कैलकुलेशन, ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल व्हाइट लेफ्ट साइड में आने का। प्रोसीजर, थ्योरी एंड प्रिकॉशंस एंड कंक्लूजन शुड बी ऑन द राइट साइड। लिखने का पार्ट रहते ना, थ्योरी पार्ट, प्रोसीजर, एम, apparatus राइट साइड, सर्किट डायग्राम, ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल, कैलकुलेशंस, it should be on the left side. समझ में है? और किसी को कुछ डाउट है? नोटबुक ऐसा रहते ना? ओके,
यस।
इस पेज में पहला एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 1 टाइटल शीट है ना, वो टाइटल लिखने का फर्स्ट। ओके, एक पेज में इधर वो टर्न करने के बाद ये लेफ्ट साइड आ जाएगा ना इधर। यस, ये पेज टर्न करने के बाद इस साइड में आ जाएगा ना इधर, सर्किट डायग्राम। सर्किट डायग्राम लिखो इधर, पूरा सर्किट डायग्राम लिखा तो भी चलते। ये साइड में सर्किट डायग्राम, ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल आना है। ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल मीन्स व्हाटएवर हमने रीडिंग लेते ना, वो टेबल ये साइड में आना है। और कैलकुलेशन पार्ट ये टेबल में आना है। कैलकुलेशंस है क्या? नहीं, कैलकुलेशन इसमें आ जाएगा। टाइटल, एम ऑन राइट साइड आना है, राइट साइड पेज में। एम, apparatus Apparatus should be on right side only. Apparatus. Then what is that one? Theory or procedure and theory. Procedure and theory we can write down, and last में end में conclusion रहेगा. Conclusion है ना? Conclusion सबके पास.
Yes.
After conclusion, some questions are there. Some 2 questions. Define power. ऐसा power का definition लिखने का, और define power factor. 2 questions का answer लिखने का. Question and answer. At least ये नहीं लिखा तो चलता है, इधर तक तो complete चाहिए. These all things should be in the right side. Circuit diagram, observation table, calculation, it should be on the left side. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So can I stop this one here only? Okay. Well, you attend that one. We'll stop here only. Just a minute. I will end the stop.